everyone, I'm Erosia Guterres Pereira
and I am Subha Siddiq.
Today we are going to present our presentation. The topic of our presentation is Introduction and History of Timeline. There are many parts in the historical timeline. From the timeline, you are focusing on the colonialism of British. The British colonialism started at 18th century. On the basis of British colonialism, you are focusing on the Battle of Palisade. The Battle of Palisade took place in 23 June 1757 between Nawab Sirajuddaula and East India Company.
Original history is the East India Company felt that the large fee demanded by the Nawab and the governors on trade was unfair. So what the company wanted was a puppet ruler who would act in their favor. So they tried to replace the then Nawab of Bengal Sirajuddaula with one of his rivals. Robert Clive, the colonel of East India Company, defeated Nawab Sirajuddaula at a place called Palasi in 1757 in the Battle of Palasi. One of the main reasons for Sirajuddaulla's defeat was Mir Jafar, one of his commanders who was against him and never fought the battle. Robert Clive promised Mir Jafar that he would be made Nawab after Sirajuddaulah. For his services, the Battle of Palasi was company's first victory on the Indian side.
The alternative story is, the original story represents a traitor Mir Jafar who was infamous for cheating on Nawab. He assisted Robert Clive to defeat Nawab Sirajuddaulah. What was Mir Jafar's perspective to help the British? Mir Jafar must have some other reason to help the British people other than just to become a Nawab. Now, we will look at that part of history why Mir Jafar decided to help British people. Let's see through the conversation between Mir Jafar, Clive and Nawab Sirajuddaulah. May I come in?
Yes, come in. Sit down.
Thank you, Nawab.
Why do you come at this odd hour?
Yes, I want to discuss something important.
Go ahead.
I want to talk about our business and trade with British people.
What about it?
We are not developing economically. The Bengal is facing a lot of leakage and revenue. If it goes on like this, there shall be disaster. I think we should deal with Clive regarding this. They are very well experienced in business. They trade with East and Southern Asia and they earn a huge profit.
What? You are asking and about to deal with Clive? How dare you?
But Nawab,
I will never be a puppet Nawab. I know I am improving. I know business. And I will never deal with them.
But Nawab, think about our profit.
Let's end this topic here and you can leave.
Okay, Nawab, I'm leaving, but think about this issue.
No, I will never consider this issue. The Battle of Palasi will happen and we shall win.
But it's for welfare of our country.
I am not feeling well, leave.
Nawab shall never understand. He is so rude. He never listens to our advice. He is a young Nawab. He does not know anything regarding business and trade. It will be better if I go to Clive's invitation and talk with him regarding this.
Come in, Jafar. I was waiting for you.
Hello, Colonel Clive. May I ask why have you invited me?
Sure, sit down, please.
Is there any program in your court today?
Yes, you can think this is a welcoming party for you.
For me?
Yes.
I did not understand what I'm trying to say.
Wait, my dear friend, you will understand soon. So, I have a great offer for you.
What offer?
You have to help us in the Battle of Palasi. You have to be in our side.
Why should I do that?
It will be your benefit.
How so?
If you help us in the Battle of Palasi, then you will be the next Nawab of Bengal.
I have decided. I will help you, but you have to keep your promise.
Great! So you will be our next Nawab.
Thank you, Colonel Clive, for choosing me because there is no benefit if I will be on the Nawab side. He is a young ruler and he does not know anything about business. He is so rude and harsh-tempered.
Yes, you are right. The Nawab does not know anything. He didn't do anything good for me.
Yes, you are right. Now we should take preparation for the battle.
Yeah. So be prepared for the battle according to our plan and let's see in the battle.
Don't worry, everything will be done according to our plan. Now I have to leave. If anyone sees me here, then it will be a huge problem.
Sure. The battle day arrived, and the battle is continued. The army of the company became stronger than before. Mir Jafar was just standing. He did not contribute in the war, and all the army of Nawab backed out from the battle. Finally, company wins the Battle of Plassey. After winning the battle, all the members of assembly come to the court to welcome the new Nawab Mir Jafar. Now Mir Jafar come to the court with Clive. Congratulations, Mir Jafar, you have done your work.
Thank you, Clive. Actually, it was easy to defeat Sirajuddaula in the battle because he was always a weak Nawab and he does not know anything about how to rule a country.
Now you are the new Nawab. Take your royal throne.
Thank you, Colonel Clive.
After the war, Clive and Mir Jafar made plan to kill Sirajuddaula. As their plan, Sirajuddaula was killed by Mir Jafar's son. With the defeat and death of Sirajuddaula, the foundation of British Empire was laid in India. The new Nawab, Mir Jafar, issued orders for the freedom of company's trade throughout the Bengal.